So, hello students. Today we are going to learn part 2 of chapter number 18, that is exponents and powers. Okay. So now let us start. Now in this part we are going to learn about how to find the values of a number which is given in terms of power or exponents. Okay. So let us consider our first example. Here we have 3 raised to 5. How to read it? 3 raised to 5. Now if you want to find the value of 3 raised to 5, now 3 raised to 5 means 3 is multiplied 5 times. Okay, so which can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now when you multiply 3 5 times, our answer is 243. Okay, so now here this 243 is a value of 3 raised to 5. Okay, let us consider next example. Now our next example is minus 1 raised to 50. Okay, now remember that this number is a negative number. Okay, so for this one condition is there, if the power of a negative number, now what is the number here? Power 50. We have to check whether this number is odd or even, then it will be easy for us to decide the sign of the answer. Okay, so we write it as, now here minus 1. Now 50 is an even number. Okay, so we will write here even. So now we have minus 1 raised to an even number. Now whenever the power of a negative number is even, our answer should always be positive. Okay, so here we will make that correction. This must be positive. Okay, so what is the rule? If the power of a negative number, this is a negative base, if its power is an even number, as we have written it over here, then our answer will always be an positive number. So square of 1 is 1, or 1 multiplied by any time, number of times, our answer will be 1. And negative number, if its power is even, we write answer as positive. Okay, let us consider one more example. Now here we have minus 1 raised to 24. So let us consider, let us make some changes. Suppose if it is an 23. Okay, so now here minus 1 is base, that is a negative number is a base, and its power is an odd number. Okay, so we'll make here also odd. Now a negative number is there, its power is odd, so first we will decide the sign. Our answer will always be a negative number. Okay, so its sign must be negative. Now 1 multiplied as many times, our answer will be only 1. Okay, so keep this rule in your mind, that when a negative number, its power is an even number, our answer is always positive. When the negative number, if its power is an odd number, our answer is always negative. Okay, now let us look at next example. Now here we have minus 5 raised to 4. Now a negative base is there, and its power is an even number. 4 is an even number. So directly we can decide, if even number is there, our sign should be positive. It means that here also our answer will be positive. Now 5 we have to multiply 4 times. So what will be the answer? So now we have minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. Okay, so finally our answer is 625 plus 625. Okay, now next example. Now here it is given that express 64 in exponential form, that is power and base form, as a power of 2. As a power of 2 means our base must be 2. Okay, so whenever such type of examples are given, first we will write the prime factors of this 64. Okay, now when you factorize 64, so 2 32s are 64, 2 16s are 32, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and 2 1s are 2. Now here we have completed the factorization procedure. Okay, now what we will do, next step, now this 64 can be written as multiply, or these all are factors of 64. So we can write it as 2 into 2 into 2 and so on. Now we want to express this number in terms of exponential form. So 2 is repeating itself. So our base will be 2. Now how many times it is multiplying itself? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our answer will be 2 raised to 6. So here what we have done? We have written 64 in exponential form as a power of 2, that is base is 2 and power whatever it may be. Okay, now let us consider next example. Now here it is given that identify the greater number in the following. Okay, so we have first example 7 raised to 2 or 2 raised to 7. Okay, so now let us solve it. Now first we will find the value of this number. So 7 raised to 2 means 7 is multiplied 2 times. So 7 sevens are 49. Okay. The next one, 2 raised to 7, that is our second number. Now 2 raised to 7 means 2 is multiplied 7 times. And when we multiply these all numbers, our answer is 128. Now clearly it can be seen that 128 is greater than 49. Okay. So since 128 is greater than 49, so 128 is value of 2 raised to 7. Therefore, 2 raised to 7 is greater than 7 raised to 2. Okay. Then now let us consider next example. Now here we have 5 raised to 4 or 4 raised to 5. Okay. So as regular procedure, what we will do first, we will write the value of this number. So 5 raised to 4 means 5 is multiplied 4 times. So our answer is 625. And 4 raised to 5 means 4 is multiplied 5 times. So 4 into 4 will get 1024. So now here it can be seen that 1024 is greater than 625. Okay, since 1024 is greater than 625, so 1024 is value of 4 raised to 5. Therefore, 4 raised to 5 is greater than 5 raised to 4. Now, from these two examples, most of the time it can be seen that the number with greater power, if such a condition is there, that is, here a base, the same number becomes here power, and here whichever power is there, if the same number becomes base, in such a condition, the one which is with more power is always greater. Here also you can see that 7 was base, here it became power, here 2 was power, here it became base. In such a condition, the one with greater power is always greater. Okay, now let us look at next example. Now here it is given that find the difference between the following 3 raised to 4 and 4 raised to 3. Now again our regular procedure, 3 raised to 4 means 3 is multiplied 4 times. So when we multiply 3 4 times, our answer is 81. Now next one, 4 raised to 3 means 4 is multiplied 3 times. So our answer is 64. Now what we have to do, we have to find the difference between them. So now difference can be written as 3 raised to 4 minus 4 raised to 3 equals to value of 3 raised to 4 is 81 minus value of 4 raised to 3 is 64. So our answer is 17. Okay, let us consider one more example over here. Now here we have minus 2 raised to 4 and minus 3 raised to 2. Okay, so again same procedure. Now minus 2 raised to 4. Now remember negative number is there and its power is an even number. So our answer will always be positive. Now minus 2. So minus 2 is multiplying 4 times. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Okay. Now our next number is minus 3 raised to 2. So again same condition, base is negative and its power is an even number. So our answer will always be positive. Now minus 3 into minus 3 will become 9. Now we have to find its difference. So minus 2 raised to 4 minus minus 3 raised to 2. So value of minus 2 raised to 4 is 16 minus value of minus 3 raised to 2 is 9. So our final answer is 7. Okay. So this much is enough for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.